Whoa,
on
why is it like
YouTube.
that?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm back. I'm recording.
Okay.
So, what are we gonna do in this video?
Right. Should we do the intro first, like at the mirror? Or should we just start because we're already recording?
I already started recording.
Alright, come on then, let's go. Okay, do you have anything you can use to move quicker? Follow me.
I gotta back up real quick. So. Okay, where'd you go? Oh, over
Here.
here.
You see at the shop, you click the weapons and you see the sticks.
Yeah.
Grab and pull on the right. And grab them like this. Grab two of them. Grab like that. Like at the bottom, and then you can just... Yeah, now we can go really quick. Right, where you want to go? Should we go up there?
Sure.
Okay, to take one of your sticks off, you put it behind your back and click A.
Oh, crap.
Hey, bro, because you can't get up there without taking one. Yep, right, it's on your back. Right, you ready? Let's go.
Oh, crap.
You grab onto this.
Yo, it's so hard to move slowly with this stick. Oh, crap. Okay.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm coming up.
In your video, wait guys, so in his last video, you know Techie? Yeah, that's me. But you just can't hear me in that last one. Oh, there's a spaceship. There's a rocket, let's go in it.
Oh, crap, I fell. Oh yeah, there's an opening. It's open.
Oh, who's clicking the button?
I guess I'll click it.
Both of us will, yeah.
Oh wait,
Okay.
no.
Oh, where are we going? Ah!
I think we're going into space. The new update is space.
Ah!
Where are you? Ow, I'm getting hurt.
Whoa,
I'm
there's
getting hurt.
there's cars.
Oh, that's cool. Let me get up.
When did they have cars?
Dang it. There's a moon rock right here. I think that's what this is, at least.
Yeah. Do
Wait,
you
I'm
want to
gonna-
drive?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna try it. Can you even drive these? Oh, wait. Yeah, you definitely
think
probably
so.
can. Okay, let me try.
Hold on, let me
Let's
drop
grab-
this stick.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop my stick too.
Yeah, you can
Yo.
drive.
I'm going off the ramp.
Whoa.
Yo! This is cool. Crap. Yo, I landed.
Whoa. Ah.
This update's cool. What'd you say?
Should we go into the beach?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, you basically have to swim. Oh crap. No, I'm going to. No! Where am I?
Whoa. We're in a spaceship.
We completed something. We got abducted. We kind of volunteered to get abducted.
Yeah.
So is it really
I still
getting
got one of my
abducted if you
sticks.
volunteer? I still have one of my sticks too.
Yeah, let's go. Let's have a look. Oh, whoa.
What'd you do? Why'd you close the door?
Ah!
What's I think I just got shot with something. I don't know.
Oh,
It didn't hurt me though. Yo, what? Wait, what's this? Yo, where'd you go?
I'm behind you.
Yo, there's a gravity thing in here.
Ah! Let's try to swim all the way down.
I don't think you. Yeah, I think you can.
Yeah, let's try to get out of this room. Should we try to get out through the UFO?
Yeah, probably. Oh crap! No! I'm falling down. Okay.
Oh,
I'm
that's
back up.
good. I'll come down with you. Let's go down and see what's down there.
Okay, I'm going down. What's that blue stuff? I don't think you want to touch the blue stuff.
It might take you
Grab,
back.
Yo, there's another
It
room.
might take you back.
There's oh crap! Freak! I'm falling.
Oh, it doesn't do anything.
Yo, there's
Wait.
another room. There's another room over here.
Ah!
There's another room.
Oh yeah, let's have a look in there.
Crap! Go
Oh
down.
no.
Yo, what is that? There's monsters down there. There's another monster.
What's this box?
What was that? Why did he laugh?
I'm not sure. Okay, let's try and get back up. Where are you?
I'm right here.
What is that sound?
I don't know. It sounds like wheezing.
Yeah, it does actually. It sounds like me after playing Don't Blink.
Let's go in here. Let's go back to the place where we came from. The gravity's back to normal.
Yeah.
What is that thing? Whatever. Open the door. It's like, yeah, so this is basically just a giant alien spaceship.
Oh, we were on the alien planet.
I think maybe we go back in the middle to go back. Where from where?
Yeah.
I don't think it's working. I think we have to do something in here to go back.
Yeah.
What's over here? There's another exit place thing looking thing. I don't know.
Yeah, let's go.
Yo, it's a hole, but it's blocked. What is this?
I don't know. How do we get out of here?
I don't know. Wait, what's down here? Oh, no. There's nothing down here. I gotta use my stick. Get out. I think I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck down here. Come on. Dang it. Yo, bro, I think I'm
Your
stuck.
best
Wait,
chance
actually-
of getting up here.
Get up here. There's a little hole in here. Up here. Get up. If I could get up, I would get through. I fell back down. Oh, there's another hole.
No, go.
Oh, yeah, that was easy. I made it so hard. Yeah, I already got up.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm already up. Oh, crap. Go back up. Okay. I'm gonna look.
Right, how do we sort this?
Wait, what if we get on top of the spaceship?
Oh, we can try it.
Yeah, I'm up here. That's where this noise is coming from. Yeah, but it's nothing. There's nothing up there.
Let's have a look inside the spaceship again.
Okay.
Try stand in
Wait.
the middle again.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this isn't working.
No.
How do we get out of the spaceship? Yeah, I think we have to go that way. I think we have to go where the monster is.
Yeah, we probably do.
Why does this door keep closing?
I have no idea.
Crap. I'm already going the wrong way.
Yeah, we need to get. You might have to kill that monster with your stick, because I lost mine.
Oh, okay. But what is that wheezing though?
I don't know.
Yo, what is that? Do you think I could kill the monster with this stick? Doesn't seem like the type to get killed by a stick. Okay. Okay. The wheezing's coming from here.
Oh, maybe that's our way out.
Yeah, maybe. And the gravity stops being weird down here too. What is that thing? What? Open the door. Close the door.
Wait, the monster's gone.
No, he's here. I just saw him. That's why I said close the door. Okay, where's the monster? Oh, there's two. Why are there multiple? There's two. There's two monsters.
Oh,
No, no, no.
get in. Oh, you got it, maybe.
Die. Oh, crap. My stick broke.
Run.
What is that noise? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
No.
What is that
Yeah.
thing? Crap. No, I'm going up.
Is running. Bro, are you there?
Yeah, I'm up right here. I'm just trying to get down here.
Our best chance is run.
Yeah, I think we just have to
3, 2, 1, run. 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 Keep on running.
What's that noise? What is that noise,
Keep
bro?
on running. I'm being attacked.
Get up here, get up here. Crap.
Thank you.
Run. No, no, there's a button. There's a button. Close.
There's a button.
Yes, I closed the door.
Phew. Phew.
But now if there's no other way out of here, then we're trapped.
Wait, yeah, there is. There's something here.
Why is there a toilet? I found the gold bar. What does this do? What? It called something. It called something here. Pressing that button called something over here. Did you just eat something out of the toilet?
Yeah.
What was that? I'm gonna go see what it is. This is very strange. What's all this stuff? Like, how did this get on the alien spaceship? Do you think something went wrong and that's why this stuff is abandoned and there's monsters? Or do you think the monsters are the aliens?
Maybe.
This looks like we could go through it. We can't.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah.
Yo, what happened? How'd you get stuck?
I don't know.
Maybe grabbing onto this gold brick will help, bro.
Oh, there.
Oh, yeah, you got out. Okay, let's
We
go.
need to click. We need to get all 3 of those buttons, those purple buttons.
Should we get all the... I think we should get the monsters in here and then close the door on them.
No, I don't
Yeah.
think they can get in there. Let's just try to find those buttons.
Yeah, I guess that's the priority. What's that?
Go, go, go! Oh! Run, run,
No!
run.
I'm dead! I'm dead!
Get in here!
I'm dead!
Oh, you're back.
Did he kill you?
Respawn. Yeah, respawn.
Okay. That was kind
Oh
of fun.
my.
That was a fun
Yeah,
adventure.
let's do a little bit more and then should we wrap up the video?
Yeah. Well,
Let's go
Well, that-
to
that
space
depends
and
on
just
you.
ride around.
I don't really care when we end the video.
Yeah.
Because the last video
Let's
was
get
only 18 minutes.
Yeah, that is pretty long to be honest. How long
Yeah.
do you think this one's been?
I can check.
Yeah, have a little look.
So far this one's 14 minutes.
Oh, we can leave it a bit longer. What's this?
What did you do? Oh. What happened? I'm gonna press the button too. Maybe it brought me somewhere. Yo, hello? Where are you? Where'd you go?
I'm here.
Oh,
I don't
hello.
know what this is. Hi.
I thought it just killed you, but then when I saw you didn't respawn, I pressed the button too.
Yeah.
Something talking is over there.
Wait, there's something over here.
Yeah.
Please
Please make us
people
jump.
coming. I think we have to do this parkour.
No. Okay. No! Crap! I fell too. Oh, we're back.
Yeah.
Oh, my stick! Give me my stick back. Crap! No, I fell down again! Wait, how do we leave this place if when we fall, we don't leave?
We have to do this parkour. We have to do this parkour.
What's that noise?
I have no idea.
Crap, no! No! I'll come back. I think I will. Come on, no! Fell again. Yo, where'd you go? Crap! Crap! No! Dang it. Yo, I'm here. No, wait. Yo, I'm over here. No. Yo. This new update is weird, bro.
Monkey.
Yeah? Oh.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but what? Hello?
yeah.
I found a glowing ball. Why is it looking at me? I'm getting killed. I'll come back. I think I should. I got killed.
I can't hear the radio. I can't hear you. Oh, good. Okay, you
Yeah.
don't need to restart it. Should we go to space?
Oh, yeah, sure. Let's go.
How long's the video been going?
Yo, it's longer than the other one now. It's 23 minutes now.
Okay, so we wrap it up at 30. Can I start the rocket this time?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna sit down.
Yeah, should we end the video at 30 minutes?
Huh?
Should we end the video at 30 minutes?
Yeah, that's reasonable.
Yeah.
Yo, there's a car over here.
Because the last
I'm
one
gonna.
was so short. Wait, let me see if I can hop in with you.
Wait, you try to grab that side, I'll grab this side. Yo. I think you're powering it. I think someone has to grab it with 2 hands actually.
Wait, hold on. You grab it with 2.
Wait, you just try to stay in the car.
Okay, yeah. Let's go. Ah!
Yeah. Crap.
Wait, hold on. Let me try sitting actually inside.
I think I'm stuck. Oh, no, what?
Oh. Yeah, it won't let me stay in, but let's see what happens if we ram each other. Let's go.
Yo! Why did I get launched? I'm gonna go up this ramp. Yo, what's up here?
Oh yeah.
What's this thing? Oh, there's an inventory archive here.
Oh.
What?
Wait, hold on. Should we get some? We don't really need sticks, do we?
No, not really. 6 even. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Let's get back in our cars.
Wait, I'm gonna try to loop. I'm gonna try the loop-de-loop.
What are you gonna do?
Try this. Crap. I failed. Why are your car moving like that?
I have no idea. Ah!
Yo, you fell on me. Yo, my car.
When do you think you'll be posting?
Huh?
When do you think you're posting this video?
After like maybe 20 minutes of editing, I'll probably post it today.
Alright.
What if I tried riding the
Oh, wait.
walls?
How many minutes do you usually edit off?
Huh?
Edit off the bits where me and you weren't together.
Oh, okay. Wait,
Like you know when we were in that rainy place? Like
Oh,
edit
yeah, that.
all of that out.
Okay.
Because no one really wants to watch that.
Yo, you can ride on the walls. That's cool. That was fast. No, I'm going into a ditch. Oh wait, you can control the direction and rotation of your car. I just realized. No, wait, what is
What
this?
is down here? Should we?
No, no, I'm falling. Oh wait, it's a fan area. Wait, what is this? Yo, come down, come down.
Whoa.
No, I went back up. I'm gonna come back down. I'm coming back down. No, we can only get down in the cars. We have to get in more cars. Yeah, we
Yeah,
can't.
let's go get some more cars.
Yeah, let's go get more cars. Wait, yo. Should we explore that now or should we explore it next video?
Should we do it next or now? Let's say do it next video so there's less editing. Okay, let's
Yeah.
wrap. Wait, try drive.
Wait, you're grabbing onto the back?
Yeah, try and drive.
Okay, wait, I have to turn around though. Yo, what's happening?
I'm on the back.
Yo.
Yo, look behind. I'm literally on the back.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a flip. I'm gonna do a flip. Okay, let me stop.
Yeah, I'll help. Ooh. Ooh.
We flew into the UFO. Should we wrap up the?
Okay.
Should we wrap up?
Yeah, let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Okay. But see you guys.
So for next video we'll go into that area with the cars and then we'll explore that. So for now that's it.
Yeah, we'll go into that red area. That's enough.
Yeah, so-
See you guys.
Thanks for watching, and then I'm gonna.
Bye. Thank you. Subscribe.